Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to change Netflix subtitle color. So on your Netflix, just go to your icon here, account icon, and then go to account. Under profile and parental controls, click your specific profile and then click that drop down and go to subtitle appearance and click edit, and you will see here shadow. You can change the color of it, or wait, let's choose like a different effect, so you could change what it will do to the subtitle. Okay, so we can also change the background of the text to different colors, as well as the window of the caption or the subtitles rather, and then save that. So that's it. That's how you change Netflix subtitle color. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.